Imagine people no longer need to risk their lives. Technology will do it for them. Meet the new drone Novus by Vitrulux Aero Systems. Novus is part of the multi-purpose Smart Pole. Together, the pole and drone can proactively prevent incidents. The Smart Pole detects potential threats and launches the drone automatically, transmitting the signal to emergency services. Novus and Smart Pole form the global project Smart City, which will improve lives in megalopolises. New technologies are becoming more accessible, so you can touch the future right now. Vitrulux is the future becoming reality today.